This is where we started. From here, started to break it down. So we segmented our processes into much smaller pieces. So to start, we have a process that simply deploys the posting. This includes the actual development, review, and approval, coming up with a strategy. It's, I think, approximately 6 steps in the process. Once that's done, it sends off a signal that starts these 2 other processes. The first is going through each time we have an applicant that submits their application, it sets off an instance of this second process listed here. That starts them going through interviews. If they pass their interviews, we compose an offer letter. And if they accept the offer, then we start to integrate that employee. Each of these are their own processes, again, having anywhere from 3 to maybe a dozen steps, things that are modular, easy to understand, and easy to break down into different pieces where need be. The second thing that happens is we start a timer, basically, that is going to, on a periodic basis, just check the status of that job posting. Have there been any new applications? Have there been anyone who's come in for new interviews? And we set that period of time for, I believe, 2 weeks, where if there is not something that has happened, if there's not a critical action that the hiring manager sees, it will send a notification to that hiring manager to say, hey, your posting is not as active as you probably want it to be. You may want to talk to your recruiter or see what the current status is, or if there's a holdup of some kind. Now, congratulations, we have now hired a new candidate. We've gone through these new processes. Next thing that happens is, 1, we send a signal at the end of that to that check status step that is set to a boundary event that says, oh, I can now stop this cycle and end this process so that we're no longer sending notifications every 2 weeks for a job that has now been filled. Additionally, this kicks off our hiring process.